action of is the modulation of GABA function in the brain by the benzodiazepine receptor located in GABA receptors. So indications of tablet clonazepam is absence of seizures, insomnia, panic disorders. Then contraindications of tablet clonazepam is suicidal thoughts and drug abuses and depression. So in these three cases we cannot give the tablet clonazepam because this develops the drowsiness to the clients. So side effects of this drug clonazepam is dizziness, confusion and muscle aches. So the nursing considerations and responsibilities includes always when we are administering the clonazepam to the client, monitor the vital signs closely and monitor the orientation of the patient and monitor intake and output chart, because excess accumulation of the metabolites due to the impaired excretion leads to a toxicity. And also she's having the fourth drug that is B complex, having the B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B7 tablets. So included as call it as B complex. He's having a 400 mg oral OD once in a day, and vitamins have a direct impact on your energy levels, brain function and cell metabolism, and also it is required for the manufacture of nucleic acids and therefore for a growth and reproduction as well. Indications for this B complex is cell health and growth of red blood cells, and energy levels will be increased. And the contraindications for the B complex tablet is an overload of iron in the blood and sickle cell anemia. So the side effects of this drug is vomitings and high blood sugar levels. And when we are administering the blood complex to the tablet to the client, so we need to, as a psychiatric nurse, we need to monitor the vital signs and watch for any adverse reactions that are affected by the drug. So this is about the medicational history of my client Mrs. Lakshmi, and also now we'll discuss about the condition, my client condition of schizophrenia. So schizophrenia mainly developed by the brain stroke. So the brain is involved in the organism of a central nervous system. So central nervous system is divided into three parts, that is the first one is brain, and the second one is spinal cord, and the third one is peripheral nervous system. So the peripheral nervous system again is divided into cranial nerves, spinal nerves and peripheral nerves together with their motor and sensory endings. The functions of nervous system is collect the sensory input from the body and external environment, and process and interpret the sensory impact, and also respond and appropriate to the sensory impact.